Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Be curious, Stephen Hawking. Narration script: the most strange and terrifying planets in our solar system. Deep within the silent void of space, our solar system harbors worlds that defy imagination. These are places of extremes, where the very laws of nature seem bent, creating landscapes both strange and terrifying. Let us begin with Venus, a planet shrouded in a perpetual veil of toxic clouds. This is no celestial twin to Earth but a world of searing heat, where temperatures soar to a staggering 475 degrees Celsius, and atmospheric pressure could crush even the strongest spacecraft. Acid rains descend from above, painting a portrait of an inferno suspended in the heavens. Then, there's Jupiter, a colossus of chaos and might. Its great red spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, has raged for centuries, hurling winds at incomprehensible speeds. Yet, even more haunting is Io, one of its many moons, a volcanic hellscape where towering eruptions hurl sulfur into space, a volatile masterpiece of cosmic destruction. And far out in the depths of the solar system lies Neptune, the icy giant cloaked in mystery. Its atmosphere churns with the most ferocious winds known, reaching speeds of up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune's moon, Triton, adds to the enigma, a frozen world where plumes of nitrogen ice erupt into the void, a stark reminder of the alien forces at work in these distant realms. Not far from Neptune lies Uranus, a planet that challenges our very understanding of planetary mechanics. Tipped on its side, it spins in a bizarre sideways rotation, as if defying the conventional order of the cosmos. Its pale blue surface, calm at first glance, hides frigid winds and a mantle of mysterious icy materials. Deep within, scientists suspect the presence of a superpressurized ocean, where exotic forms of ice may exist, glowing eerily in the dark. Further in, we encounter Mars, a world that tells a tale of ancient cataclysms. While its rust-colored deserts appear barren today, they are scarred by colossal dust storms, capable of engulfing the entire planet. Its canyons and dry riverbeds hint at a distant past when liquid water once carved its surface, a ghostly echo of a more vibrant world. And then there's Mercury, a planet so close to the sun that it endures searing days and freezing nights. Temperatures swing wildly between 430 degrees Celsius and minus 180 degrees Celsius. Its surface, cratered and scarred, is a testament to billions of years of relentless cosmic bombardment. Mercury is a paradox of extremes, where survival is inconceivable. As we delve deeper into these worlds, we begin to grasp the incredible diversity of our solar system. Each planet, each moon, tells its own story, a narrative of unyielding forces and breathtaking phenomena. Together, they form a cosmic tapestry, a testament to the raw power and infinite creativity of the universe. Beyond the planets, even smaller celestial bodies reveal their own terrifying and strange nature. Consider Pluto, the icy dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system. Its surface is a landscape of frozen nitrogen, with towering ice mountains and vast plains of mysterious, shifting materials. Beneath this frozen exterior, scientists speculate the presence of a subsurface ocean, an alien sea that has endured for billions of years in complete darkness. Then, there are the comets and asteroids, cosmic wanderers that traverse the solar system. Some, like the asteroid Apophis, are reminders of the immense destructive power that still lingers in space. Their orbits occasionally bring them perilously close to Earth, a haunting possibility of catastrophe frozen in their silent trajectories. And who could ignore the wonders of the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud, regions of our solar system shrouded in mystery? These distant realms are home to icy objects and primordial debris left untouched since the formation of the Sun. The Oort cloud, an almost mythic region, is believed to harbor billions of comets, a reservoir of frozen relics from the dawn of time. The strangeness of our solar system serves as a humbling reminder of its dynamic and often violent history. Each world, from the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant, is a chapter in the story of our cosmic neighborhood, a narrative filled with extremes, destruction, and the boundless potential for discovery. Beyond the planets lies a realm of wonders and terrors, where the mysteries of our solar system deepen. These are the uncharted territories of the Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud, and the countless celestial bodies that drift through the vastness of space, carrying secrets older than Earth itself. Pluto, once classified as the ninth planet, stands as a gateway to these outer reaches. Its surface, covered in frozen nitrogen and methane, is punctuated by mountains of water ice, standing as silent sentinels against the endless void. Despite its frigid temperatures, Pluto's heart-shaped region, Sputnik Planitia, hints at dynamic processes beneath the surface, perhaps an ancient ocean, locked away under a thick crust of ice. What strange forms of chemistry, what alien processes might be at play in that hidden, frozen sea? Farther out, in the Kuiper Belt, millions of icy bodies float in quiet isolation. These objects, remnants from the solar system's formation, are time capsules from an era when the sun was young. Among them are worlds like Haumea, with its elongated, spinning form, and Make, a frozen enigma with a surface that reflects the light of distant stars. Here, the cold is so extreme that even the faintest warmth of the sun is but a whisper, and the landscapes are locked in an eternal frost. But beyond the Kuiper Belt lies an even greater mystery, the Oort cloud. This vast, spherical shell of icy objects envelopes the solar system, extending nearly halfway to the nearest star. The objects here, drifting for billions of years, may occasionally be disturbed by passing stars or galactic tides, sending comets hurtling inward toward the sun. These messengers from the edge of the solar system, like Comet Hale-Bopp or Halley's Comet, bring with them the ancient ingredients of creation, water, organics, and the building blocks of life itself. Meanwhile, scattered through the solar system are rogue wanderers, asteroids and comets that bear the scars of a violent past. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, is a world of contrasts. Its surface is pockmarked with craters, yet bright spots of salt and ice hint at underground reservoirs of briny water. Could life once have stirred in these hidden depths? Or might it even persist there, thriving in an environment so alien to our own? Asteroids like Vesta reveal a different story, a fiery birth and a violent history. Vesta's surface tells the tale of ancient lava flows and massive impacts, a world caught between the molten core of its creation and the frozen stillness of its present. And then there are the comets, with their spectacular tails of dust and gas, stretching for millions of kilometers. These cosmic wanderers are not merely icy relics, they are the architects of planetary systems, delivering water and organic materials that may have seeded life on Earth. As we journey back inward, even the planets we thought we knew hide layers of mystery. Europa, one of Jupiter's many moons, is an icy world crisscrossed with reddish streaks, marking the fractures of its frozen surface. Beneath that ice, an ocean twice as vast as all of Earth's combined seas may teem with microbial life, surviving in darkness and thriving near volcanic vents on the ocean floor. And then there is Titan, Saturn's largest moon, where rivers and lakes of liquid methane and ethane carve alien landscapes under a thick orange haze. Its icy surface hides a second, larger ocean of liquid water deep below, creating a dual world of unimaginable contrast, a place where the chemistry of life might unfold in ways utterly unlike anything on Earth. In these distant realms, the line between science and imagination blurs. Each world challenges our understanding, expanding the boundaries of what is possible. Together, they form a cosmic puzzle, where every piece contributes to a grander picture of the universe and our place within it. The exploration of these strange and terrifying worlds is not just a quest for knowledge, it is a journey into the very fabric of existence, a reminder that the unknown still beckons, and that the greatest discoveries may yet lie ahead. As we venture ever deeper into the solar system's mysteries, we encounter worlds that defy human comprehension, each a monument to the sheer power and unpredictability of cosmic forces. Among these, Enceladus, a small, icy moon orbiting Saturn, stands out as a beacon of hope and intrigue. Despite its diminutive size, Enceladus exhibits one of the most captivating phenomena in the solar system, towering plumes of water vapor, ice particles, and organic molecules erupting from its south pole. These geysers, powered by subsurface heat, hint at the presence of a vast, global ocean beneath the moon's icy crust. Could this hidden sea harbor life, shielded from the harshness of space and nourished by hydrothermal vents at the ocean floor? Beyond Saturn, we find Hyperion, a moon unlike any other. With its sponge-like surface, riddled with craters and voids, Hyperion seems less like a celestial body and more like a fragment of some ancient cosmic explosion. Its chaotic rotation adds to its mystique, spinning unpredictably as it tumbles through space, a relic of a forgotten era in the solar system's tumultuous history. As we return to the outermost giants, Uranus and Neptune, we delve into atmospheres that challenge the imagination. Uranus, with its pale blue-green hue, might appear serene, but its secrets lie in its frigid depths. The planet's sideways tilt, likely caused by a cataclysmic collision in its past, creates seasons that last decades, plunging its poles into prolonged darkness. Beneath its clouds lies a mantle of icy water, ammonia, and methane, potentially housing exotic forms of matter like superionic ice, a state where water behaves both as a solid and a conductor of electricity. Neptune, the solar system's windiest planet, is a realm of perpetual storms. Its deep blue color, caused by traces of methane, hides a dynamic and violent interior. Here, supersonic winds rage, creating vortexes and cyclones of unimaginable scale. The mysteries extend to its moon, Triton, a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. Triton's retrograde orbit and active geysers suggest a history of immense violence and transformation. Its surface, a patchwork of frozen nitrogen and methane ice, is dotted with cryovolcanoes, hinting at an alien geology beneath. The solar system's tapestry would not be complete without acknowledging the Sun itself, the fiery heart around which all these strange worlds revolve. Its influence extends far beyond the orbit of Pluto, reaching into the heliosphere, a vast bubble of charged particles and magnetic fields that shields us from interstellar radiation. The edge of this bubble, known as the heliopause, marks the boundary where the Sun's influence wanes and the true depths of interstellar space begin. Even beyond the Sun's grasp, the Voyager spacecraft, our farthest emissaries, continue their silent journey into the void, carrying messages of humanity etched in golden records. These tiny vessels traverse the uncharted regions beyond the solar system, where gravity no longer binds them to their birthplace. The farther we go, the more we realize the limits of our understanding. Each moon, each planet, each asteroid, and comet tells a story, a fragment of a larger narrative that we are only beginning to piece together. They remind us that our solar system is not just a collection of celestial objects but a living, evolving system of wonder and terror, beauty and chaos. And so, as we stand at the precipice of discovery, looking out into the vast unknown, we are filled with a profound sense of awe. The strangest and most terrifying worlds in our solar system are not simply objects of curiosity, they are mirrors reflecting the boundless creativity of the cosmos and the unyielding drive of humanity to understand its place among the stars. As we extend our gaze beyond the solar system's boundaries, the sheer scale of what lies ahead dwarfs even the wildest imaginings. Yet, within the realms of our own celestial neighborhood, the mysteries only deepen with every new discovery. Consider the asteroid Psyche, a unique entity unlike any other we've encountered. Unlike the rocky or icy bodies that populate the asteroid belt, Psyche appears to be composed primarily of metal, likely the exposed core of an ancient protoplanet that never fully formed. This metallic world offers a glimpse into the processes that forged planetary cores, an open window into the very heart of planet formation. Meanwhile, Phobos and Deimos, the tiny moons of Mars, orbit their planet like restless shadows. Phobos, in particular, spirals ever closer to Mars, destined to be torn apart by tidal forces in a future cosmic spectacle. Its surface, scarred by grooves and craters, hints at a violent history, and its origin remains the subject of intense debate. Are these moons captured asteroids, or are they remnants of a cataclysmic collision that gave rise to Mars itself? And then there are the Trojan asteroids, clusters of rocky bodies locked in a gravitational dance with Jupiter and Neptune. These ancient objects, shepherded by the planet's immense gravitational pull, are time capsules from the earliest days of the solar system. Studying them may one day reveal the primordial ingredients that birthed not just planets, but the conditions for life itself. The strange does not end there. Saturn's moon Mimas, often overshadowed by the likes of Enceladus and Titan, presents an enigmatic riddle of its own. Its surface, dominated by the Herschel crater, makes it resemble a cosmic Death Star. Recent data suggests that Mimas may harbor a subsurface ocean, an astonishing possibility for a world so unassuming at first glance. In the distant reaches of the solar system, Sedna, one of the most remote known objects, travels on an elongated orbit that takes it far beyond the Kuiper belt. This icy world, bathed in the faint glow of a sun reduced to a bright star, challenges our understanding of how such objects came to be. Was Sedna flung into its strange orbit by the gravitational influence of a passing star, or does it point to the presence of a yet undiscovered ninth planet? These enigmas compel us to continue our exploration, not merely to satisfy curiosity, but to confront the fundamental questions of our existence. What forces shaped these worlds? What role did they play in the grand story of our solar system? And perhaps most tantalizingly, could life exist in these unexpected corners of our celestial neighborhood? Beneath the icy crusts of Europa and Enceladus, in the hazy atmosphere of Titan, and even in the shadowed craters of Mercury and the Moon, the ingredients for life might lie dormant, waiting for the right conditions to spark a chemical miracle. The possibility that life, however simple or alien, might persist in these extreme environments is a humbling reminder of the resilience of nature. The solar system, in all its strangeness and terror, is not just a collection of objects orbiting the sun. It is a dynamic, ever-changing theater of cosmic forces, each act unfolding over billions of years. It is a story still being written, a story in which we are both spectators and participants, striving to understand the vast, interconnected web of phenomena that binds us to these distant, alien worlds. The journey is far from over. With each passing day, new missions are launched, new telescopes peer into the dark, and new discoveries bring us closer to the answers we seek. Yet, with every answer, new questions arise, leading us further into the unknown, a perpetual voyage into the infinite. As our journey through the solar system continues, we are reminded that every discovery is a fragment of a far greater mosaic. The interplay of forces that govern these celestial bodies, gravity, magnetism, heat, and chemistry, creates an intricate web of phenomena, each more extraordinary than the last. Let us return to Jupiter, whose influence extends far beyond its colossal storms. Jupiter's immense magnetic field, the strongest in the solar system, creates a deadly environment for any spacecraft or unwitting visitor. Trapped within this magnetosphere are intense radiation belts, millions of times stronger than Earth's. These belts bombard its closest moons, stripping particles from their surfaces and feeding Jupiter's eerie auroras, ghostly lights that dance at its poles, visible from space. But Jupiter's magnetism pales in comparison to its role as a protector of the inner solar system. The gas giant's gravitational pull acts as a cosmic shield, deflecting or capturing many comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten Earth. At the same time, its gravity sculpts the orbits of distant objects, orchestrating a celestial ballet that maintains the stability of the system as a whole. Saturn, too, exerts a profound influence, its iconic rings serving as both a scientific marvel and a haunting reminder of cosmic fragility. These rings, composed of ice and rock, may be the remnants of a shattered moon or a primordial body that never formed. Within the rings, shepherd moons carve gaps and create ripples, their gravitational interactions shaping the delicate structure we see today. Yet the rings are ephemeral, slowly eroding into Saturn's atmosphere, a fleeting masterpiece in the grand timeline of the cosmos. And then there are the places that lie beyond the visible and the measurable, the hypothetical worlds and hidden forces that continue to tantalize astronomers. The search for Planet 9, a yet undiscovered giant lurking in the distant reaches of the solar system, offers a tantalizing glimpse of the unknown. Evidence of its existence comes from the peculiar orbits of distant Kuiper belt objects, their movements hinting at the gravitational pull of a massive, unseen planet. If found, Planet 9 would redefine our understanding of the solar system's architecture and its formation. Even the Sun itself holds mysteries yet to be unraveled. Its surface, a seething, turbulent sea of plasma, is governed by forces we do not fully understand. The corona, the Sun's outer atmosphere, burns millions of degrees hotter than its surface, a paradox that defies conventional physics. Solar storms, born from the Sun's magnetic field, hurl charged particles into space, threatening technology and life on Earth while simultaneously creating breathtaking auroras in our skies. As we push the boundaries of exploration, our tools grow ever more sophisticated. Probes like Voyager, New Horizons, and Perseverance are more than machines, they are extensions of humanity, carrying our curiosity into the vastness of space. Soon, missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Europa Clipper will offer unprecedented glimpses into the distant and the hidden, searching for signs of life and unraveling the complexities of distant worlds. Yet, despite all we have learned and all we will uncover, the solar system remains a place of profound wonder and unyielding mystery. Its planets, moons, asteroids, and comets are not static objects, they are living stories, shaped by time and the forces of nature. They whisper of creation, destruction, and transformation, of extremes that challenge our understanding and possibilities that expand our imagination. The cosmos beckons us not only to explore but to reflect on our place within it. Each discovery, each insight, is a reminder of how small we are and yet how deeply we are connected to the universe. Our journey through the solar system is more than a quest for knowledge, it is a celebration of our enduring spirit to seek, to learn, and to dream. The strange and terrifying worlds we encounter are not just destinations, they are milestones in a voyage that will continue as long as humanity dares to look up and wonder. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, the solar system reveals itself as a tapestry of dynamic forces and timeless processes. Each discovery transforms our understanding, not just of space, but of ourselves. The strange and terrifying worlds we explore are more than curiosities, they are chapters in the story of existence, each bearing lessons for those bold enough to study them. Consider the fragile beauty of our own moon, a celestial companion that has watched over Earth since its violent birth. Its cratered surface tells a tale of ancient collisions, of meteors that scarred its face billions of years ago. Yet beneath its dusty regolith lies the promise of resources, water ice trapped in shadowed craters at its poles. This frozen treasure may one day sustain human explorers, offering fuel, water, and oxygen for missions deeper into space. The moon, long a symbol of mystery and romance, could become a gateway to the stars. Farther afield, Mars continues to captivate our imagination. The red planet, with its thin atmosphere and cold deserts, is both hostile and inviting. Its surface, littered with ancient riverbeds and dried-up lakes, whispers of a time when water flowed freely, when Mars might have been alive in ways we can scarcely imagine. Today, robotic explorers like Perseverance and Curiosity traverse its rugged terrain, searching for traces of microbial life and paving the way for human footsteps. Mars is not just a destination, it is a vision of what our future might hold, a stepping stone to becoming a multiplanetary species. As our gaze moves outward, we are drawn to the icy giants Uranus and Neptune, enigmatic worlds that defy easy explanation. Uranus, with its surreal aquamarine glow, holds secrets in its tilted axis and faint rings. Neptune, darker and more tempestuous, guards its mysteries with ferocious winds and storms. These planets, often overshadowed by their closer neighbors, may hold clues to the formation of our solar system and the mechanisms that shape planetary atmospheres throughout the galaxy. Even farther, In the shadowy reaches of the Kuiper Belt and beyond, we encounter objects like Eris, Haumea, and Sedna, dwarf planets that challenge our understanding of what it means to be a planet. Their icy surfaces and distant orbits mark the edges of the Sun's influence, where the faint warmth of our star fades into the cold embrace of interstellar space. Here, the boundary between our solar system and the rest of the galaxy begins to blur, a liminal zone filled with cosmic relics from the dawn of time. As we continue our exploration, the solar system reveals its ultimate truth: it is a place of perpetual motion and transformation. Worlds that seem static and lifeless are, in reality, vibrant systems, shaped by internal forces and external influences. Volcanoes erupt on Io, geysers spout on Enceladus, and methane rivers carve paths on Titan. Even the smallest asteroids, tumbling through the void, are sculpted by sunlight, gravity, and collisions. And beyond the physical wonders lies the greatest mystery of all, the question of life. From the icy oceans of Europa to the methane-rich haze of Titan, from the buried waters of Mars to the possible chemical dances deep within Venus's clouds, the potential for life lingers in the unlikeliest of places. Each discovery of organic molecules, each hint of a habitable environment, brings us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone? The exploration of the solar system is not merely a scientific endeavor, it is a philosophical journey, one that forces us to confront our origins, our fragility, and our potential. These strange and terrifying worlds remind us that we are part of something vast and ancient, a universe that has existed long before us and will continue long after we are gone. Yet, in this vastness, we find meaning. For in the act of exploring, we assert our existence. In seeking to understand these distant worlds, we learn to better understand our own. The solar system, with all its chaos and beauty, is not just a collection of celestial objects, it is a mirror reflecting the boundless curiosity and resilience of the human spirit. And as long as there are questions to ask, horizons to reach, and stars to chase, our journey will continue. The solar system is our home, our laboratory, and our launch pad to the infinite beyond, a place where the strange and terrifying give way to the extraordinary and the sublime. The journey through our solar system is far from complete. With each new mission and discovery, we peel back another layer of its vast complexity, revealing secrets that deepen our connection to the cosmos. These strange and terrifying worlds are not just destinations, they are bridges to a greater understanding of the universe and our place within it. The search for life, in particular, drives our explorations forward. It compels us to push the limits of technology, to send probes into the crushing atmospheres of Venus, to drill through the icy crust of Europa, and to study the methane lakes of Titan. Each of these environments represents an extreme, conditions so alien to Earth that they seem inhospitable at first glance. Yet, if life can thrive in Earth's most extreme environments, at the bottom of our oceans, in boiling hot springs, or in frozen tundras, then why not elsewhere? Mars remains one of the most tantalizing targets. The discovery of seasonal methane releases, along with the remnants of ancient riverbeds and deltas, hints at a past when the red planet might have been lush with water. Could life have emerged there billions of years ago? If so, might it still cling to existence beneath the surface, protected from the planet's harsh radiation? The answers lie buried in its soil, waiting for the tools and determination of humanity to uncover them. Further out, the icy moons of the gas giants continue to intrigue. Europa, with its global ocean hidden beneath kilometers of ice, holds more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Its surface, crisscrossed with reddish streaks of salt deposits, suggests a dynamic interaction between the ice and the ocean below. If hydrothermal vents exist on its seafloor, similar to those on Earth, then the conditions for life could be not only possible but abundant. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and surface lakes of liquid methane, offers an entirely different template for habitability. Here, chemistry could operate on a scale and structure wholly unfamiliar to us, creating life forms that challenge our understanding of biology. Studying Titan is like stepping into an alternate world where the rules are rewritten, a cosmic laboratory that stretches the imagination. And what of Enceladus, the small moon that defies its size with geysers that shoot into space? These plumes, rich with organic compounds and water, have provided a rare opportunity to sample a moon's subsurface ocean without landing on its surface. The potential for microbial life within its hidden waters has ignited the hopes of scientists and inspired future missions designed to probe its mysteries. As we look even farther, the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud remind us that the solar system is far larger and more diverse than once imagined. These distant regions, filled with icy bodies like Eris, Sedna, and countless others, are the remnants of the primordial materials that formed the planets. Each object is a frozen time capsule, preserving the chemical recipes from the dawn of the solar system. Unlocking their secrets could teach us not only about our origins but also about the processes that shape planetary systems across the galaxy. But the solar system's lessons are not just about science, they are about perspective. These worlds, as alien and extreme as they may seem, are part of the same cosmic family as Earth. They remind us of the fragility of our planet, the uniqueness of its conditions, and the responsibility we have to protect it. They also ignite a profound sense of unity, a reminder that despite our divisions, we are all inhabitants of the same pale blue dot, bound by a shared curiosity in a common destiny. As humanity stands on the threshold of becoming an interplanetary species, these strange and terrifying worlds offer both challenges and opportunities. They dare us to innovate, to adapt, and to dream. They show us that exploration is not just about discovery, it is about hope, ambition, and the unyielding drive to push beyond the limits of what is known. The solar system is vast, but it is only the beginning. It is a microcosm of the universe, a training ground for greater adventures yet to come. Beyond its outer edges lies an expanse so vast and filled with possibilities that it defies comprehension. Yet, every step we take within our own celestial neighborhood brings us closer to understanding the infinite beyond. The journey continues, not because it is easy, but because it is essential. For as long as there are stars to guide us, mysteries to solve, and horizons to reach, humanity will press onward, driven by the same curiosity that has fueled explorers for millennia. The solar system is not just our home, it is the starting point for the greatest adventure of all, the exploration of the universe itself. As we stand on the cusp of interstellar exploration, the solar system offers a profound reminder of the intricate balance of forces that govern the cosmos. Each planet, moon, and asteroid, every icy fragment of the Kuiper Belt, and each faint whisper of a distant comet contributes to the symphony of existence in ways both seen and unseen. Yet, even as we unravel these mysteries, we find ourselves asking ever more profound questions. What lies beyond the limits of the Oort cloud, that distant shell of icy bodies marking the outermost reaches of our solar system? It is here that our understanding begins to fade, where the sun's gravitational influence weakens, and interstellar space begins. Could there be rogue planets wandering in this distant frontier, unbound by the pull of any star? These nomadic worlds, if they exist, could harbor their own secrets, subsurface oceans warmed by radioactive decay or even atmospheres clinging stubbornly to life-supporting gases. And beyond the Oort cloud, the true void begins, the interstellar medium, a place where particles drift sparse and far apart, where the faint light of distant stars dominates the darkness. It is here that the Voyager spacecraft now travel, carrying humanity's messages in bottles, hurtling through the unknown with the hopes and dreams of an entire species encoded on golden records. These silent emissaries remind us that even as we explore the vastness of space, we bring with us a small piece of what it means to be human. Yet, the solar system still holds enigmas that challenge our understanding of planetary science and astrophysics. The search for Planet 9, for instance, tantalizes astronomers with the possibility of a hidden giant, lurking in the darkness far beyond Neptune. Its gravitational influence, inferred from the peculiar orbits of distant Kuiper Belt objects, suggests a world unlike any we have encountered, a cold, distant titan sculpting the dynamics of the solar system's fringe. Closer to home, the mysteries of Venus beckon us to return. This scorched, volcanic world, once dismissed as entirely inhospitable, now intrigues scientists with the detection of possible biomarkers in its upper atmosphere. Could microbial life survive in the temperate layers of its thick, acidic clouds, adapting to conditions so alien to our own? If confirmed, such a discovery would shatter our assumptions about where life can thrive and how it evolves. The ongoing exploration of the solar system is also a testament to our ingenuity. Robotic explorers, from the Mars rovers to orbiters studying Jupiter and Saturn, are our eyes and hands in distant worlds, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. The upcoming missions to Europa, Titan, and Enceladus promise to deliver new insights, perhaps even answers to the question of life beyond Earth. And as we develop the capability to send humans to Mars and beyond, we prepare to take our place as active participants in the cosmic story. But the solar system also reminds us of the fragility of our home. Earth, nestled in the habitable zone, is a rare jewel in a universe that seems indifferent to life. Its atmosphere, its oceans, and its delicate balance of ecosystems are precious, offering us both sustenance and inspiration. The exploration of other worlds sharpens our awareness of this fragility, reinforcing the importance of stewardship for the only planet we know that teems with life. Looking outward, we are reminded that the solar system is not an isolated bubble but part of a vast galaxy, where trillions of stars host countless other systems. Each exoplanet discovered, a world orbiting a distant sun, offers a new possibility, a new question: are we unique? Or is life a common thread, weaving through the universe like the starlight that reaches us across billions of years? The solar system, in all its strangeness and terror, is not just our origin but our gateway. It is the foundation from which we will leap into the unknown, guided by curiosity, courage, and an insatiable desire to understand. Every comet we catch, every moon we land on, and every distant horizon we cross brings us one step closer to a future where humanity thrives not just on Earth, but among the stars. Our journey through the solar system is far from over, and its true meaning lies not in the final destination but in the journey itself. For in every discovery, every challenge, and every triumph, we find not just answers to the mysteries of the universe, but reflections of who we are and who we aspire to become. The solar system is our beginning, but it is also a reminder: the cosmos is vast, and our potential within it is infinite. As we look to the infinite potential of the cosmos, the solar system becomes a living metaphor for exploration, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. It is here, among the planets and moons, the asteroids and comets, that we have taken our first steps into the vast unknown, a journey that reflects our drive to push beyond limits and embrace the extraordinary. The next great frontier lies just beyond the grasp of our current technologies, yet tantalizingly within reach of our aspirations. Human missions to Mars are no longer the stuff of science fiction but of concrete plans and engineering marvels. These missions will not only test our ability to survive on another planet but will pave the way for the colonization of space, transforming humanity from a planetary species into an interplanetary one. Imagine a future where research stations dot the surface of Mars, where astronauts study its geology, harvest its resources, and search its ancient terrain for signs of life. From Mars, we may one day establish stepping stones to the asteroid belt, using its vast mineral wealth to fuel a growing space economy. The same ingenuity that powered humanity through centuries of exploration on Earth will drive us to create habitats in the most unlikely places, from the dark craters of the Moon to the icy plains of Europa. The path to this future will be fraught with challenges: technological, environmental, and ethical. Yet, it is these challenges that define us, that push us to innovate and collaborate. The exploration of the solar system is not merely a quest for knowledge, it is a test of our ability to come together as a species, united by a shared vision of what lies beyond. And as we look beyond our immediate neighbors, the possibilities expand exponentially. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our Sun, has opened a new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos. With thousands of these distant worlds identified, and many more awaiting discovery, we are beginning to glimpse the vast diversity of planetary systems. From gas giants orbiting close to their stars to rocky worlds in habitable zones, each exoplanet is a reminder that our solar system is just one small piece of a much larger puzzle. Among these countless worlds, some may host the conditions necessary for life. With missions like the James Webb Space Telescope and next-generation observatories, we will soon have the capability to study the atmospheres of these distant planets, searching for chemical signatures that could indicate biological activity. The idea that life might exist elsewhere in the universe, perhaps even intelligent life, fuels our imagination and deepens our sense of wonder. Yet, as we dream of the stars, the solar system itself remains a boundless source of inspiration and discovery. Each mission we undertake, each world we explore, brings new questions and deeper mysteries. What lies beneath the thick clouds of Venus? What secrets are locked in the ancient ice of the Kuiper Belt? Could the gravitational dance of moons like Io and Europa create conditions for life unlike anything we've ever imagined? Even the most familiar objects, like the Sun, continue to surprise us. Its cycles of solar activity, its influence on Earth's climate, and its eventual fate as a white dwarf all carry implications for our understanding of stellar evolution and the fragility of life in the universe. The Sun, which gives us life, will one day transform into a faint ember, reminding us of the impermanence of even the most enduring cosmic forces. As we journey through the solar system, we are not just explorers, we are storytellers, weaving a narrative of curiosity, resilience, and hope. The strange and terrifying worlds we encounter are not obstacles but opportunities, each a new chapter in the story of our existence. They remind us of the power of imagination, the value of persistence, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. This journey is only beginning. The solar system, in all its majesty and mystery, is our classroom, our laboratory, and our inspiration. It is where we will learn to become stewards of our planet and architects of our future among the stars. It is where we will confront the unknown and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. And so, as we continue to explore, to discover, and to dream, we carry with us a simple yet profound truth: the universe is vast, and our place within it is not defined by what we have seen, but by the endless horizons we have yet to reach. As we stand on the edge of this unfolding cosmic journey, the horizons of our imagination expand with every step forward. The solar system, though vast and ancient, is but the starting point for humanity's exploration of the universe. Each mission launched, each distant world studied, brings us closer to understanding the profound interconnectedness of the cosmos. The next era of exploration will bring transformative advancements. Plans for lunar bases on the Moon's south pole, where water ice resides in perpetually shadowed craters, will provide not just a foothold for exploration but a proving ground for technologies that will take us to Mars and beyond. These bases, powered by solar energy and sustained by in-situ resource utilization, will become the testing grounds for the survival of humanity on other worlds. On Mars, the thin atmosphere and dusty plains are challenges to overcome, but they also promise discoveries that could redefine our understanding of life's origins. If evidence of past or present life is found, even in microbial form, it will shift our perspective on biology as a universal phenomenon. What we learn from living and working on Mars will shape our ability to thrive in the most hostile environments, paving the way for journeys to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The moons of the outer solar system, in particular, offer some of the most intriguing possibilities for exploration. Europa's vast ocean, Enceladus's geysers, and Titan's unique methane-based weather system represent environments so alien yet so compelling that they demand deeper investigation. To send submarines into Europa's subsurface ocean or landers to Titan's lakes of methane would be to step into entirely new worlds, each with the potential to reveal the unexpected. Beyond the outer planets, we will push into the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, regions teeming with ancient relics of the solar system's formation. These icy bodies hold clues to the conditions that existed when the planets were born. Studying them could uncover the raw materials that seeded life on Earth and perhaps other planets. Missions to these distant frontiers, like New Horizons flyby of Arikoth, are just the beginning of what promises to be an era of unprecedented discovery. But the solar system is not just a stage for science, it is a stage for humanity's evolution. As we extend our reach, the challenges of distance, isolation, and adaptation will force us to grow as a species. Living on other worlds will require new forms of cooperation, innovation, and resilience. It will demand that we transcend the divisions that have so often defined human history and instead embrace a shared identity as explorers of the cosmos. This journey will not only transform our understanding of the universe but also ourselves. Each step into the unknown forces us to confront the fundamental questions of existence: who are we? Why are we here? And where do we go from here? The answers to these questions lie not only in the data we collect but in the very act of exploration itself. And yet, as we look outward, we are reminded of the fragility and beauty of our own world. Earth, with its life-sustaining atmosphere, its vibrant ecosystems, and its endless diversity, is unique among the places we have studied. The perspective gained from exploring other worlds sharpens our awareness of the need to protect our own, to ensure that it remains a thriving haven for future generations. The solar system is not just a collection of celestial objects, it is a mirror reflecting the boundless potential of human ingenuity and the enduring drive to understand the cosmos. It is a place of wonder, where strange and terrifying worlds challenge our understanding and inspire our imagination. And it is the foundation upon which we will build the next chapter of our journey, a journey that will carry us not just across our solar system but into the vast and infinite expanse of the stars beyond. The universe awaits, filled with countless mysteries, untold stories, and infinite possibilities. As we continue to reach for the stars, we do so with the knowledge that each discovery brings us closer to understanding the ultimate question: what is our place in this vast and wondrous cosmos? The answer, perhaps, lies not in a single destination but in the endless pursuit of exploration itself, as humanity moves ever forward into the unknown. As humanity gazes outward, the solar system serves as both a cradle of our beginnings and a springboard to the cosmos. Our journey through its wonders and terrors is a testament to our resilience and determination, but it also whispers of something even greater, a call to transcend the boundaries of our home system and venture into the galaxy beyond. Beyond the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud lies the interstellar medium, a place of profound silence and unimaginable distance. It is here that the Voyager spacecraft continue their lonely journeys, having crossed the threshold of the heliopause into the unknown. These emissaries, carrying golden records etched with the sights and sounds of Earth, are humanity's message in a bottle to the galaxy. Their progress reminds us that even the smallest steps into the interstellar void are monumental leaps for our species. The next frontier, one that seems distant yet tantalizingly achievable, is the exploration of nearby star systems. The discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zones of stars such as Proxima Centauri and TRAPPIST-1 has reignited our dreams of finding Earth-like worlds. These systems, mere light years away on a cosmic scale, are destinations that demand our attention. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny, light-propelled probes to Alpha Centauri, represent the dawn of a new age of exploration, one where humanity's reach extends beyond our sun's influence. As we consider the vast distances involved, the solar system becomes a vital proving ground for the technologies and strategies required for interstellar travel. Developing sustainable life support systems, mastering energy-efficient propulsion, and learning to adapt to the isolation of deep space are challenges that will be solved first in the shadow of our sun. These advancements will not only enable missions to distant stars but will also transform life on Earth, providing innovations that address our most pressing challenges. Even as we dream of the stars, the solar system continues to surprise and humble us. The discovery of subsurface oceans, mysterious plumes, and strange atmospheric phenomena reminds us that the universe is far more complex and diverse than we can imagine. Each moon and planet we study adds a piece to the puzzle of how life arises and endures in the most extreme conditions. This search for life extends to the most exotic corners of our solar system. Could life survive in the hidden depths of Pluto's ice? Or in the strange, frozen nitrogen worlds of the Kuiper Belt? What might we find in the furthest reaches of the Oort cloud, where comets spend eons before making their brief, fiery journeys toward the sun? These questions drive us to explore not only for the sake of science but to find our cosmic companions, if they exist, and to understand the conditions that allow life to emerge. But the solar system also holds lessons about survival. Its violent history, evident in the scars of impact craters, the remnants of planetary collisions, and the chaotic orbits of asteroids, serves as a reminder of the fragility of existence. These events shape the planets and moons we study today, and they continue to shape the cosmos. Understanding these processes is key to protecting Earth from potential threats, like asteroid impacts or solar storms, ensuring that our species can endure and thrive. The journey into the solar system and beyond is more than a physical exploration, it is a philosophical endeavor. It forces us to confront the infinite and ask the deepest questions about who we are and what we aspire to be. It unites us in a shared quest, transcending borders and differences, as we work together to unlock the secrets of the universe. The solar system is our origin, but it is not our limit. It is a place of unimaginable beauty and stark realities, of strange worlds and cosmic terrors. It is a training ground for a future where humanity ventures to the stars, not as isolated individuals, but as a unified species, carrying with us the dreams, hopes, and wisdom of countless generations. And so, we continue. With each step into the void, we carry the spirit of exploration forward, guided by the stars and driven by the questions that have inspired humanity since we first looked up at the night sky. The solar system is where our story begins, but it is in the endless expanse beyond that we will write the next chapters, a story of discovery, unity, and an unyielding belief in the boundless potential of humanity. The universe awaits, and we are ready to answer its call. As we prepare to answer the call of the universe, we must first embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie within the boundaries of our solar system. Every step forward, whether on the Moon, Mars, or the icy moons of the outer planets, is a lesson in perseverance and ingenuity. These early ventures are more than scientific milestones, they are proving grounds for humanity's ability to endure and thrive in environments far beyond the cradle of Earth. The Moon, our nearest neighbor, is set to play a pivotal role in this endeavor. Projects like NASA's Artemis program aim to establish a permanent human presence on the lunar surface, transforming it into a hub for science, technology, and exploration. Lunar bases will serve as outposts for testing life support systems, mining water ice for fuel and oxygen, and understanding how humans adapt to long-term habitation in reduced gravity. The Moon will become a springboard, a place where we refine the tools and techniques needed to journey farther into the solar system. Mars looms on the horizon as humanity's next great destination. The Red Planet, with its ancient river valleys and polar ice caps, offers a tantalizing glimpse into what might have been, and what could still be. Establishing a sustainable presence on Mars will require solving complex problems, building habitats that can withstand its harsh climate, developing technologies to extract resources like water and oxygen from its soil and atmosphere, and finding ways to grow food in its arid terrain. Yet these challenges also present opportunities for innovation that could reshape life on Earth, from advancements in renewable energy to breakthroughs in materials science. As we extend our reach, the outer planets beckon with their own unique mysteries. Missions to Europa and Enceladus, armed with sophisticated probes and landers, will delve beneath their icy crusts to explore the alien oceans that lie hidden below. These missions will not only search for life but will also test the limits of engineering in some of the most extreme environments imaginable. They will require autonomous systems capable of operating far from Earth, communication technologies that bridge vast distances, and instruments sensitive enough to detect the faintest traces of organic molecules. Meanwhile, Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, offers a world unlike any other. A rotorcraft like Dragonfly, capable of flying through its dense air, will unlock the secrets of this alien environment, studying its surface and chemical composition while searching for signs of prebiotic processes. Titan's complexity challenges us to expand our definitions of habitability, to consider life not as we know it but as it could be. Even as we venture to these distant realms, we cannot ignore the silent sentinels of the solar system, asteroids and comets. These small, ancient bodies are more than relics of the past, they are harbingers of both opportunity and danger. Mining asteroids for rare metals and water could fuel a burgeoning space economy, while missions like DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, demonstrate our ability to defend Earth from potential impacts. Each asteroid we study, each comet we intercept, deepens our understanding of the forces that have shaped our solar system and continue to shape our future. Yet, the solar system is only the beginning. Beyond its outer edge lies the interstellar medium, a vast, uncharted expanse filled with the promise of discovery. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny, laser-propelled spacecraft to the nearest stars, marking humanity's first steps into the galaxy. These missions, though ambitious, embody the same spirit that drove us to cross oceans, climb mountains, and fly beyond the confines of our atmosphere. In the coming centuries, humanity may become a spacefaring civilization, spreading across the solar system and eventually venturing to other star systems. The challenges will be immense, but so will the rewards: new worlds to explore, new resources to harness, and perhaps even new forms of life to encounter. With every discovery, we will learn not only about the cosmos but about ourselves, our resilience, our creativity, and our capacity for wonder. The solar system, with its strange and terrifying worlds, is our proving ground, our teacher, and our inspiration. It is where we will learn to live among the stars and where we will begin to answer the deepest questions of existence. What lies beyond the edge of the known? What is our place in the universe? Are we alone? These questions drive us forward, propelling us into the vast unknown. The answers may not come quickly or easily, but the journey itself will define us. It will shape the future of humanity and connect us to the cosmic story that began long before we existed and will continue long after we are gone. The universe is waiting, its secrets hidden among the stars and the voids between them. And as we look up, as we take our first steps into the infinite, we carry with us the hope, the courage, and the unrelenting curiosity of a species that dares to dream. The solar system is where we start, but it is not where we end. The stars are calling, and we must go. The call of the stars resonates deeply within us, a reminder that exploration is not just a pursuit of knowledge but an intrinsic part of what it means to be human. From the moment we first gazed at the night sky, we have been driven to reach beyond the horizon, to seek answers to questions that seem as infinite as the universe itself. As we step into this new era of exploration, collaboration will be our guiding principle. The challenges of venturing farther into space demand that we work together as a global community, pooling resources, expertise, and ingenuity. The construction of a sustainable presence on the Moon, the colonization of Mars, and the exploration of Europa's oceans are not achievements that belong to one nation or one organization, they are milestones for all of humanity. Each success will be a testament to what we can accomplish when we transcend borders and focus on our shared future. The technologies we develop for space exploration will not only enable us to reach distant worlds but also transform life here on Earth. Renewable energy systems, advanced robotics, medical breakthroughs, and innovations in artificial intelligence are just a few of the benefits that will emerge as we solve the complex problems of living and working in space. The ingenuity required to sustain life on Mars or explore the icy depths of Enceladus will yield solutions to the pressing challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and global health. But the impact of space exploration is not solely technological, it is also profoundly philosophical. The act of reaching beyond our home planet forces us to reevaluate our perspective on life and our place in the cosmos. When we see Earth from space, a fragile blue sphere suspended in the vastness, we are reminded of the unity of our existence. This perspective has the power to inspire a greater sense of stewardship for our planet and a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness. The journey into the solar system and beyond will also redefine our understanding of life itself. As we study extreme environments on Earth, boiling hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, frozen tundras, we discover life's astonishing resilience. These discoveries expand our imagination, allowing us to envision life thriving in the methane lakes of Titan, the subsurface oceans of Europa, or even in the upper clouds of Venus. Finding even the faintest trace of extraterrestrial life would be one of the most transformative discoveries in human history, answering the age-old question, are we alone? As we push farther into the void, the mysteries deepen. What forces sculpted the landscapes of Pluto and Charon? What secrets lie in the gravitational dance of Neptune and its moon Triton? Could the rumored Planet 9, hidden in the darkness of the Kuiper Belt, be the missing piece of our solar system's puzzle? Each question we answer gives rise to countless more, driving an endless cycle of curiosity and discovery. And yet, the solar system is only the beginning. Beyond its boundaries lies the galaxy, a sea of stars each hosting their own worlds. With every exoplanet discovered, we inch closer to understanding the diversity of planetary systems and the conditions that foster life. Some of these worlds may harbor oceans larger than any on Earth, skies filled with strange gases, or ecosystems that operate on entirely different principles. The study of these distant planets will teach us not only about the universe but also about the delicate balance that allows life to flourish. In the centuries to come, humanity may establish outposts among the stars, creating interstellar waypoints in a network that spans light years. We may harness the energy of entire stars, mine resources from rogue planets, and navigate the immense voids between galaxies. The idea that we could become a multiplanetary or even multistellar species is no longer a far-fetched dream, it is a vision grounded in the progress we make with every passing day. Yet, as we reach outward, we will carry with us the echoes of our origins. The solar system will remain our cosmic home, the place where our story began. Its strange and terrifying worlds will always remind us of the incredible diversity of existence and the power of nature's creativity. Its mysteries will continue to inspire future generations, sparking the curiosity that drives exploration forward. The stars may be calling, but they are not the final destination. They are milestones on a journey that will take us deeper into the heart of the universe and closer to understanding the fundamental truths of existence. The cosmos is vast and ancient, yet it is a story we are now a part of, a story that we continue to write with every step we take. The solar system is our beginning. The stars are our horizon. And the universe itself is our destiny. Together, as one species united by wonder and driven by curiosity, we will explore the infinite and uncover the secrets of the cosmos, forever reaching for the light of distant worlds and the answers that lie beyond. As we push further into this boundless journey, the universe stretches before us with infinite potential. Each star, each galaxy, and each corner of the cosmos holds untold mysteries, waiting to be uncovered by the explorers of tomorrow. The story of humanity is no longer confined to the shores of Earth, it is written in the fabric of space itself, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and unyielding drive. The solar system, though vast and full of wonder, is but a single chapter in a much larger narrative. Beyond its edges lies the Milky Way, our galactic home, spanning 100,000 light-years and containing hundreds of billions of stars. Among these stars are exoplanets of every kind, gas giants larger than Jupiter, rocky worlds with molten surfaces, and planets shrouded in perpetual darkness. These distant worlds challenge our understanding of what is possible, showing us that the universe is not only stranger than we imagine but stranger than we can imagine. Our next great challenge will be finding ways to bridge the immense distances between stars. Technologies like nuclear propulsion, light sails, and even concepts like warp drives are in their infancy but represent the seeds of interstellar travel. Missions that once seemed impossible are now entering the realm of plausibility. Reaching Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away, may one day become a reality, opening the door to exploring the closest planetary system beyond our own. But the journey is not solely about reaching new destinations, it is about transformation. With every step into the unknown, humanity itself will evolve. Living in the harsh environments of Mars, the Moon, and beyond will forge a resilience and adaptability that will redefine what it means to be human. Our species will no longer be bound to a single planet, but instead will become a spacefaring civilization, united by the shared goal of exploring and thriving in the cosmos. The challenges of this journey will test us as never before. We will need to solve problems of immense complexity: how to generate energy in the vacuum of space, how to sustain life for decades-long missions, how to communicate across interstellar distances. These challenges will push the boundaries of science and technology, but they will also push the boundaries of cooperation. The cosmos, vast and indifferent, will remind us of the value of unity, for it is only together that we can reach the stars. As we voyage outward, the search for life will remain at the heart of our endeavors. The discovery of a single microbe beneath Europa's ice, a trace of organic chemistry in Titan's lakes, or an atmospheric signal on an exoplanet will revolutionize our understanding of life's place in the universe. It will show us that life is not an anomaly but a natural consequence of the cosmos, a thread woven into the fabric of existence. And what if we find intelligent life? The implications are staggering. The knowledge, cultures, and histories of an alien civilization would expand our understanding in ways we cannot yet fathom. Communication with such beings, however challenging, would be the greatest leap forward in human history, connecting us to a cosmic community far older and more diverse than we can imagine. Yet, even as we look outward, we must never lose sight of the extraordinary gift of our own planet. Earth, with its blue oceans, green forests, and teeming life, is a jewel in the vastness of space. It is here that our journey began, and it is here that we must always remember to return, not just physically but emotionally. The exploration of the universe is not an escape from Earth but a way to better understand and cherish it. The universe is ancient, stretching back nearly 14 billion years, and its future extends into epochs so vast they defy comprehension. Humanity's story is but a fleeting moment in this cosmic timeline, yet it is a moment filled with meaning and purpose. As we explore, we leave behind not just footprints on distant worlds but echoes of our curiosity, our courage, and our hope. We are the stardust made conscious, the universe observing itself. The strange and terrifying worlds of our solar system and the infinite expanse beyond are not just destinations, they are reflections of our deepest aspirations. They remind us that we are small yet significant, finite yet capable of reaching for the infinite. The stars call us to continue this journey, to step into the unknown with open minds and boundless dreams. Together, we will forge a future among the stars, guided by the light of discovery in the enduring belief that the universe holds endless possibilities. The cosmos awaits, and humanity's greatest adventures are yet to come. The cosmos, with its endless expanse and boundless mysteries, invites us to continue forward, driven by the unrelenting curiosity that defines our species. As we prepare to explore ever deeper into the universe, we are reminded that this journey is not just one of discovery, it is a journey of becoming. Each step into the unknown shapes us, challenges us, and calls us to rise to new heights. The solar system, vast and varied, remains our first proving ground. Its strange and terrifying worlds continue to teach us about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate interplay of forces that sustain life. The icy moons, scorching planets, and rocky asteroids reveal not only the raw power of nature but also its potential for beauty and creation. With each new mission, from robotic explorers to human pioneers, we push the boundaries of what is possible, crafting a narrative of exploration that transcends borders and generations. Beyond the solar system, the stars await. Every exoplanet discovered adds to the richness of the cosmos, each one a potential home for life or a source of inspiration. Some orbit close to their stars, bathed in light and heat, while others exist in the cold, distant reaches, shrouded in eternal twilight. Among them may be worlds that mirror Earth, blue-green orbs teeming with life, or planets so alien they defy comprehension. The search for these worlds is not just about finding another Earth, it is about understanding the infinite ways in which the universe can give rise to complexity and wonder. The future of exploration lies in the fusion of our greatest aspirations and our most advanced technologies. Concepts like generation ships, self-sustaining habitats, and even terraforming will become the tools of tomorrow's explorers. These innovations will not only enable us to venture into the stars but will redefine our relationship with the universe and with each other. As we master the art of living beyond Earth, we will learn to overcome the challenges of isolation, scarcity, and environmental fragility, lessons that will transform life both on and off our home planet. And as we explore, we will continue to confront the profound question of life's uniqueness. If we discover even a single microbe on Europa, a fossil on Mars, or biosignatures in the atmosphere of a distant exoplanet, it will forever alter our understanding of existence. Such a discovery would reveal that life is not confined to Earth, that it is a fundamental aspect of the cosmos, as natural as the formation of stars and galaxies. But even more profound is the possibility of intelligent life. If we one day hear the faint, deliberate signal of another civilization, an echo across the stars, it will confirm that we are not alone in this vast universe. Such an encounter would challenge us to think not just as individuals or nations but as a single, unified species, ready to take its place in a larger cosmic community. The search for such connections reminds us of the importance of collaboration and humility, for the universe is vast, and we are but a small part of its story. Yet, even as we dream of the stars, the journey is as much about looking inward as it is about reaching outward. The exploration of space is a mirror, reflecting the best of what humanity can achieve when driven by curiosity and guided by purpose. It reminds us of the fragility of our world and the preciousness of life. It teaches us that progress is not just about technology and science but about compassion, cooperation, and the courage to face the unknown together. The universe is infinite, but our time within it is finite. This duality, of endless horizons and fleeting moments, is what makes the journey so meaningful. Every discovery, every step forward, is a testament to the human spirit, a declaration that we will not be confined by the limits of our understanding or the boundaries of our world. The stars are not just destinations, they are beacons of possibility. They remind us that the universe is alive with potential, filled with stories waiting to be told, and questions waiting to be answered. The strange and terrifying worlds we encounter are chapters in a grand narrative that spans billions of years, a narrative in which we are both participants and authors. As we chart this path forward, we carry with us the dreams of generations past and the hopes of those yet to come. The cosmos is calling, and humanity is ready to answer, not with fear, but with wonder, not with hesitation, but with determination. Together, we will continue to explore, to discover, and to dream, knowing that the greatest adventures lie ahead and that the universe, in all its vastness, is ours to explore. For we are stardust made conscious, explorers of the infinite, and the journey has only just begun. The journey into the cosmos is a promise to ourselves, to future generations, and to the universe that bore us. It is a testament to our nature, a reflection of humanity's insatiable drive to learn, to grow, and to push against the boundaries of what we know. As we stand at the threshold of an interstellar future, we are reminded that this is not just a story of exploration but a story of transformation. The solar system, though vast and filled with marvels, is only the beginning of this story. Each moon, each planet, each icy fragment in the Kuiper belt is a step in a much larger journey, a journey that will take us to the stars. As we develop the technologies to traverse greater distances, we begin to see our place in the galaxy not as isolated wanderers but as part of a grand tapestry woven across time and space. Beyond the nearest stars lies the spiral arm of the Milky Way, an expanse glittering with billions of stars and untold worlds. Each of these stars, like our Sun, is a source of energy, warmth, and potential. Around some, we will find rocky worlds that may remind us of Earth. Around others, we will find gas giants with strange moons, planets with atmospheres of metallic clouds, and water worlds with oceans that stretch endlessly. Each discovery will expand our understanding of the universe and challenge our imagination to conceive of life in forms we have yet to dream of. But the galaxy is not just a place of scientific discovery, it is a place of profound perspective. As we explore, we will confront the vastness of time and the enormity of space. We will see stars that have burned for billions of years and others that are newly born. We will witness the raw power of supernovae and the eerie quiet of black holes. These experiences will remind us of both our insignificance in the face of the cosmos and our unique ability to comprehend it. In the future, humanity may come to see the Milky Way as its extended home. With advancements in propulsion, energy, and sustainability, we may establish outposts among the stars, forming a network of civilizations that span light years. These interstellar societies will be shaped by the environments in which they thrive, becoming as diverse as the worlds they inhabit. Yet, they will remain connected by a shared history, a common origin on a small, blue planet orbiting an unremarkable star. The search for connection will continue to drive us. As we send signals into the void, hoping for a reply, we will ask questions that touch the very heart of existence. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there others like us, gazing at the same stars and asking the same questions? If we find them, what stories will they tell us? What truths will they reveal about the nature of life, intelligence, and the cosmos itself? Even as we prepare for the interstellar future, we must not forget the importance of stewardship. The Earth, our cradle and our anchor, will remain the heart of humanity's story. Its blue oceans, green forests, and vibrant skies are unique treasures in a universe that, so far, appears silent and barren. As we explore other worlds, we will carry with us the lessons of Earth's fragility, ensuring that we protect its ecosystems and cherish its life-giving balance. The journey to the stars is not just about finding new worlds, it is about defining who we are. It is about proving that humanity can rise above its challenges, overcome its divisions, and embrace its role as a cosmic explorer. It is about demonstrating that we are not bound by the limits of today but inspired by the possibilities of tomorrow. The universe stretches out before us, vast and eternal. Its stars are beacons, guiding us forward, urging us to explore, to create, and to dream. And though the path ahead is long and uncertain, we will walk it with courage, curiosity, and hope, knowing that the cosmos is not just a place we explore, it is a part of who we are. In the end, the story of humanity will not be written on a single world but among the stars. It will be a story of discovery and transformation, of unity and wonder, of a species that dared to dream beyond the confines of its home. The journey is infinite, the possibilities boundless, and the future brighter than the galaxies that illuminate the night sky. The universe beckons, vast and unknowable, its depths filled with questions waiting to be answered and mysteries yearning to be understood. Each step humanity takes into the cosmos is a declaration, a refusal to accept the confines of ignorance, a testament to our enduring desire to reach beyond what we see and touch. As we progress, the journey will challenge not just our technological capabilities but the very fabric of who we are. The stars will demand more than ingenuity and resourcefulness, they will demand unity. For no single nation or group can bear the weight of this exploration alone. It is only together, as a global civilization, that we can chart a path forward, pooling our wisdom, resources, and dreams to venture further than any have gone before. Our solar system, vast and dynamic, is a cosmic classroom, teaching us the lessons we need to become true explorers of the galaxy. The moon is our stepping stone, Mars our proving ground, and the outer planets our gateway to the stars. Each world, each mission, each discovery sharpens our skills and broadens our horizons, preparing us for the monumental task of interstellar travel. The first missions beyond our solar system will be humble by necessity, small probes traveling to nearby stars, carrying with them instruments to measure, analyze, and send back fragments of distant worlds. They will be our first emissaries to the galaxy, silent voyagers tasked with expanding our knowledge and inspiring the generations that follow. These missions, though modest, will mark the beginning of a new era, the age of humanity's presence beyond the reach of our sun. But as our reach extends, so too will our understanding of what it means to exist in the universe. We will begin to see the Earth not just as a planet but as the cradle of a civilization that spans worlds. We will see our solar system as the birthplace of a species that dared to dream, to explore, and to create. And we will understand that the universe itself is not a void to be conquered but a vast expanse to be embraced, a place filled with opportunities for connection, growth, and wonder. The challenges ahead will be monumental. Interstellar distances are so vast that even the speed of light, the fastest velocity in the universe, feels achingly slow. To reach distant stars, we will need technologies that push the boundaries of physics, propulsion systems that harness fusion or antimatter, spacecraft powered by solar sails or quantum phenomena. These breakthroughs will not come easily, but they will emerge, driven by the same relentless curiosity that has propelled humanity forward since our ancestors first looked to the heavens. And as we move outward, we will continue to ask the questions that have defined us for millennia. What is life, and how does it arise? Are we unique, or is the universe teeming with other civilizations, each with its own story to tell? What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? These questions are more than scientific inquiries. They are reflections of our deepest longings, our need to understand our place in the grand cosmic tapestry. The search for life will guide much of our exploration. With every exoplanet discovered, every biosignature detected, we edge closer to answering the profound question, are we alone? If we find life, even in its simplest form, it will transform our understanding of biology, chemistry, and the very fabric of existence. And if we find intelligent life, it will change the trajectory of our species forever, offering us a new perspective on what it means to be sentient beings in a vast, interconnected cosmos. Yet even if the universe is silent, if we find no signs of life beyond our own, the journey will not be in vain. For in exploring the stars, we will discover ourselves. We will uncover the strength of our collective will, the depths of our imagination, and the boundless potential of our spirit. The universe will challenge us to grow, to innovate, and to persevere, and in doing so, it will shape us into something greater than we are today. The cosmos is not merely a destination, it is a reflection of our humanity. It is a mirror that shows us both our smallness and our greatness, our fragility and our resilience. It reminds us that we are stardust made conscious, explorers born from the very elements of the stars we seek to understand. And so, we press on. Through the darkness and the unknown, through the challenges and triumphs, we carry with us a light of discovery, hope, and wonder. It is this light that will guide us, illuminating the path forward as we write the next chapters of our story. A story of a species that refused to be confined, that embraced the infinite, and that reached for the stars not because it was easy, but because it was the ultimate expression of what it means to be human. The universe awaits. And we, the dreamers of the cosmos, will answer its call, together, unyielding, and forever reaching for the infinite horizons that lie ahead. The call of the universe is timeless, resonating through the very core of our existence. It is not just a whisper of distant stars or the silent dance of galaxies but a profound invitation, to step into the unknown, to transcend the boundaries of what we believe is possible, and to become active participants in the cosmic story. As we continue this journey, the line between exploration and transformation will blur. Each step outward will not only expand the map of the cosmos but also redefine who we are as a species. With every challenge we overcome, from navigating the vacuum of space to sustaining life in hostile environments, we will discover new facets of our potential. We will learn to adapt, to innovate, and to thrive in ways that seem unimaginable today. The solar system will remain our foundation, a place where humanity's reach grows ever stronger. The moon, with its silent craters and vast plains, will become a thriving hub of activity, a gateway to the stars. Lunar mining operations will extract water ice to create fuel and oxygen, powering missions to Mars and beyond. Permanent settlements will rise, their domes glinting under the harsh sunlight, as humans learn to live and work in harmony with a world that has no atmosphere or life. Mars will challenge us even further, testing not only our technology but our resilience and ingenuity. The thin atmosphere, frigid temperatures, and dusty terrain will demand the development of new materials, systems, and ways of thinking. Yet, as we build habitats, grow crops in Martian soil, and explore ancient river valleys, we will take humanity's first true steps toward becoming a multiplanetary species. These efforts will lay the groundwork for a new chapter in our existence, a future where humanity is no longer confined to one world but thrives across many. The icy moons of the outer planets, Europa, Enceladus, and Titan, will beckon with their secrets. Beneath their frozen surfaces lie vast oceans, kept liquid by the heat of gravitational forces. These alien seas, shielded from the vacuum of space, could harbor life in forms we cannot yet imagine. Probes will drill through the ice, submersibles will navigate the dark waters, and robotic explorers will scour the seabeds for signs of life. Each discovery will deepen our understanding of biology and expand the boundaries of what we know as habitable. Yet, even as we unravel the mysteries of the solar system, our gaze will inevitably turn outward. The stars, so distant yet so familiar, will become our next great frontier. Missions to Alpha Centauri and other nearby systems will take us beyond the sun's influence, into the interstellar void. These journeys will not only test our technology but also our patience and resolve, as generations of explorers carry humanity's legacy across light years. As we reach these distant worlds, we will encounter new challenges that demand entirely new ways of thinking. How will we communicate with Earth from such vast distances? How will we sustain life for decades or centuries in deep space? And how will we adapt to the alien environments we find, planets with crushing gravity, worlds bathed in radiation, or atmospheres unlike anything we've seen? The answers to these questions will define our evolution as a spacefaring species. But perhaps the greatest question of all is this: what will we find when we get there? Will we discover thriving ecosystems under alien suns? Will we encounter civilizations older and wiser than our own? Or will we find ourselves alone, the only conscious observers in a vast and indifferent universe? Each possibility carries profound implications, not just for science but for our understanding of existence itself. If we are alone, then our responsibility is immense. We are the universe's way of knowing itself, and it falls to us to preserve and expand the flame of consciousness. If we find others, then our journey will take on new dimensions, as we learn from and grow alongside beings who share our curiosity and wonder. Yet, no matter what we find, the journey itself will remain our greatest achievement. To explore is to embrace the essence of humanity, to seek, to question, to dream. It is an act of hope, a belief that the universe is filled with possibilities waiting to be discovered. The cosmos is vast, its scale almost incomprehensible. But in that vastness lies opportunity, an infinite canvas upon which humanity can paint its story. The stars are not just destinations, they are reminders of our potential, our resilience, and our shared destiny. And so, we continue onward, carrying with us the light of curiosity and the promise of discovery. The universe stretches before us, infinite and eternal. And we, the explorers of the cosmos, are ready to embrace it, not as conquerors, but as humble participants in its endless story. For the journey is not just about finding our place among the stars, it is about understanding that we have always belonged to them. As humanity ventures further into the infinite expanse, the universe will continue to reveal itself as both a challenge and a gift, a boundless realm filled with lessons, opportunities, and reminders of our own significance within its grand design. Each step we take into the cosmos, every world we explore, brings us closer to understanding the intricate web of existence and our unique role as its conscious observers. The act of exploration itself will redefine what it means to be human. In the centuries to come, humanity will no longer be bound to a single planet or even a single star system. We will become wanderers of the galaxy, a species unshackled from its origins yet forever shaped by them. The worlds we discover, from barren rocky exoplanets to lush, living ecosystems, will challenge us to adapt, evolve, and integrate new ways of thinking, living, and thriving. Our relationship with technology will deepen, as it becomes an essential partner in our journey. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced robotics will guide us to places we cannot yet imagine, solving problems that seem insurmountable today. Spacecraft will become self-repairing ecosystems, capable of sustaining life for generations, while propulsion systems will harness the fundamental forces of the universe to bridge the immense distances between stars. And yet, for all the technological marvels that will accompany us, the most transformative part of this journey will be the perspective it grants us. From the vantage points of distant worlds, we will look back on Earth as a fragile jewel, a singular, life-giving oasis in a sea of silence. This view, known as the overview effect, will inspire not just a sense of unity among humanity but a profound commitment to preserving the planet that gave us life. The search for other life will remain at the heart of our exploration. With each new discovery of organic molecules, each detection of water or habitable conditions, the possibility of life beyond Earth becomes more tangible. Whether it is microbial life hiding beneath the icy crust of Europa or an entirely alien ecosystem thriving in the methane lakes of Titan, such discoveries would forever change how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Even more profound is the possibility of finding intelligent life. Imagine the moment when a signal, deliberate and unmistakably crafted, is detected, a greeting from a civilization that has existed for eons, watching the same stars and asking the same questions. What knowledge might they share? What wisdom could we exchange? The search for these cosmic neighbors is a reminder that the universe may not be as silent or as lonely as it seems. But even if the cosmos remains quiet, our journey will not lose its meaning. The act of exploring, of seeking the unknown, is an end in itself. It is a declaration of our determination to grow, to learn, and to evolve. It is a testament to our resilience and our capacity for wonder. As we chart the galaxy, we will begin to see ourselves as part of something far greater. The history of humanity, once confined to the small blue that we call Earth, will expand into a story of interstellar travelers, of civilizations that span the stars. We will leave behind monuments to our curiosity and ingenuity, probes in orbit around distant worlds, colonies under alien skies, and signals reaching across light years, carrying our hopes and dreams to the cosmos. These achievements will inspire generations yet unborn, reminding them that humanity is capable of greatness when united by purpose. They will stand as evidence that our species, despite its flaws and struggles, chose to rise above and reach for the infinite. And so, the story continues. From the solar system to the galaxy, from the galaxy to the universe, humanity's journey is only beginning. The cosmos, vast and ancient, is waiting, filled with secrets, beauty, and infinite possibilities. Each star we reach, each world we explore, will bring us closer to understanding the most profound truth of all, that the universe is not something separate from us, but something we are a part of. The stars call to us, not because they are distant, but because they are a reflection of our own potential. They remind us that we are stardust with a purpose, dreamers, explorers, and creators of a future that stretches beyond the limits of imagination. Together, we will continue this journey, driven by the light of discovery and the promise of endless horizons. The universe is vast, but so too is our resolve. The stars are calling, and humanity will answer, forever reaching, forever learning, forever exploring. For this is not just our destiny, it is our greatest adventure. And so, humanity marches onward, carried by an unshakable belief that the universe holds not only answers but inspiration, purpose, and a canvas for our collective aspirations. The vastness of space, once a source of mystery and fear, has become a beacon of hope, a limitless frontier where every journey brings new revelations about the cosmos and ourselves. In the millennia to come, our descendants may look back at this moment in history as the dawn of a new epoch, the age when humanity began to shed the bonds of its planetary cradle and take its first steps into the infinite. They will see our missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond as the foundation of an interstellar civilization, a bold and audacious leap into the unknown. Settlements will rise on alien worlds, their domes glimmering beneath foreign skies, shielding communities of explorers and pioneers. On the Moon, permanent outposts will mine resources and launch missions deeper into the solar system. On Mars, cities will grow, sustained by innovations in agriculture, renewable energy, and resource utilization. The Martian landscape, once barren and silent, will echo with the sounds of human life, laughter, work, and discovery. Further afield, space stations and orbital habitats will dot the solar system, thriving hubs of human ingenuity. The asteroid belt, rich in untapped resources, will fuel the ambitions of a spacefaring civilization. Europa and Enceladus, with their hidden oceans, will be studied not just by robotic explorers but perhaps by human researchers living in advanced underwater habitats. Titan, with its hazy orange atmosphere and methane rivers, will challenge us to reimagine what it means to adapt to a truly alien world. These ventures, as extraordinary as they seem, will merely be the beginning. The solar system will serve as our training ground, a place where humanity refines the skills and technologies needed to bridge the enormous distances between stars. The leap to interstellar travel will be monumental, requiring advances in propulsion, energy, and the very way we think about time and space. When the first interstellar missions depart for nearby stars, they will carry not only scientific instruments but the hopes of an entire species. The journey to Alpha Centauri or Proxima Centauri may take decades, even centuries, but the rewards will be immeasurable. These missions will open new worlds for exploration, planets orbiting alien suns, each with its own unique environments, histories, and possibilities. Imagine stepping onto a planet with skies of colors we've never seen, with landscapes sculpted by forces unfamiliar to Earth. Imagine discovering ecosystems that operate on principles entirely new to us, life forms with biologies unlike anything in our experience. These encounters will expand the boundaries of science and philosophy, forcing us to rethink everything we know about the origins and diversity of life. The stars may also offer us the ultimate connection, the discovery of other civilizations. If we find intelligent life, the implications will ripple across every aspect of our existence. Communication with another species will challenge us to consider new perspectives, to expand our understanding of consciousness, and to redefine what it means to be human in a universe that is no longer ours alone. Even if the universe remains silent, the journey will continue. Exploration is not merely about finding others, it is about uncovering the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, about standing in awe of its grandeur and recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. In the act of exploring, we affirm our place in the universe, not as masters of it, but as participants in its endless unfolding. The stars are not the end of our journey but the beginning of a new chapter. Beyond them lie galaxies, clusters, and superclusters, vast structures that stretch across the fabric of space-time. Each step outward brings new challenges and opportunities, new questions to ponder, and new horizons to reach. And yet, for all the distances we may cross and all the discoveries we may make, the most profound truth may be this: the journey itself is the reward. To explore, to seek, to wonder, these are the defining traits of humanity. They are what make us unique, what give our existence meaning. The universe is vast, but so is our capacity for growth, understanding, and hope. As we reach for the stars, we are not just exploring the cosmos, we are discovering the boundless potential within ourselves. Together, united by a shared purpose, we will continue to chart the infinite, carrying with us the light of curiosity and the promise of a brighter future. For the stars are not just distant lights in the night sky, they are destinations, challenges, and dreams. They call to us, urging us to rise above, to reach beyond, and to embrace the infinite possibilities of existence. And as long as we have the courage to answer that call, humanity's story will continue to unfold, forever guided by the eternal light of the cosmos. As humanity's story unfolds across the cosmos, each new chapter will be written with courage, ingenuity, and an enduring sense of wonder. The stars are not merely distant points of light, they are milestones on a journey without end, a journey that defines us, shapes us, and connects us to something far greater than ourselves. In time, the knowledge we gain from our voyages will transform not only our understanding of the universe but also the way we live and interact with one another. The challenges of building colonies on Mars, exploring the icy moons of Jupiter, or venturing into the interstellar void will demand unprecedented levels of cooperation and creativity. These experiences will teach us the value of unity and resilience, inspiring us to transcend the divisions that once seemed insurmountable. As we explore, we will carry with us the culture, art, and stories of Earth, a legacy that speaks to the richness of human experience. Imagine future generations creating new forms of art inspired by the alien landscapes of other worlds or weaving myths and legends around the strange phenomena they encounter. The cosmos will not only become a laboratory for science but also a canvas for imagination, a place where the human spirit can express itself in ways we have yet to dream. Our presence among the stars will also challenge us to rethink our relationship with nature. On Earth, we have often taken the abundance of resources for granted, but life in space will demand a new ethos of sustainability and balance. The fragile ecosystems of off-world colonies will remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the need to tread lightly, both on other planets and on our own. These lessons, learned in the harshest environments, will shape a more harmonious future for humanity. And as we push outward, we will begin to see the universe not as a series of isolated phenomena but as a vast, interconnected whole. From the gravitational waves rippling across space-time to the intricate dance of particles in distant nebulae, every discovery will deepen our understanding of the cosmic web that binds us all. This perspective will not only enrich our science but also our philosophy, offering new insights into the nature of existence and our place within it. Beyond the stars of our galaxy lie even greater mysteries. The distant galaxies, the dark matter that shapes the universe's structure, the supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies, all of these are waiting to be understood. What role do they play in the evolution of the cosmos? What secrets do they hold about the forces that govern reality? As we develop technologies to peer deeper into space and further back in time, we will uncover answers that challenge the very foundations of what we know. And then there is the question of the universe itself. What lies beyond the observable horizon? Is the cosmos infinite, or does it curve back on itself like the surface of a sphere? Are there parallel universes, each with its own laws of physics, its own stars and planets, perhaps even its own forms of life? These questions, as profound as they are, represent the ultimate frontier of exploration, a journey not just across space but into the fundamental nature of reality. As we look to this future, we are reminded that the universe is both vast and intimate, both mysterious and familiar. It is the cradle of our existence and the destination of our dreams. Each star we reach, each world we explore, brings us closer to understanding the cosmic tapestry in which we are but a single thread. Yet, for all the immensity of the cosmos, it is the small, human moments that will define our journey. The laughter of children born under alien skies, the first steps on distant worlds, the shared joy of discovery, these are the moments that will give meaning to our exploration. They will remind us that the universe is not just a place to be studied but a home to be cherished. The stars call us not to conquer but to connect, not to dominate but to understand. They remind us that we are part of something infinite and eternal, something that began long before us and will continue long after. And as we journey outward, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of a species that dares to ask the most profound questions and strives to reach the most distant horizons. The universe awaits, filled with possibilities as endless as the stars. Together, we will rise to meet its challenges, embrace its wonders, and forge a future that reflects the very best of who we are. For in the end, the journey to the stars is not just about where we go, it is about who we become. And that journey, like the universe itself, has no limits. The story of humanity's journey into the cosmos is one of infinite potential, a tale that will be written across epochs and star systems, each chapter a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration. As we venture further into the universe, our understanding of life, existence, and purpose will evolve in ways that we can scarcely imagine. In the centuries to come, humanity will grow into a species that thrives among the stars, no longer bound by the constraints of a single world or even a single star system. Our descendants may come to inhabit vast habitats orbiting distant suns, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of alien worlds. They will build new societies, shaped not only by the environments in which they live but also by the lessons learned from Earth, a planet that remains the heart of our identity, the origin of all our dreams. With time, the boundaries between exploration and everyday existence will blur. Space will no longer be a frontier but a domain of human life, as familiar to future generations as the oceans and skies are to us today. Interstellar ships will become homes, their journeys spanning generations as they carry humanity's legacy to the furthest reaches of the galaxy. These vessels, self-sustaining ecosystems powered by the energy of stars, will be symbols of human ingenuity, resilience, and the desire to push beyond what is known. Yet even as we adapt to life among the stars, the questions that drive us will remain. What is life? How does it arise, endure, and evolve? Are we a singular phenomenon, or one of countless expressions of a universal principle? With every world we explore, every signal we detect, we will edge closer to answering these profound questions. On some distant exoplanet, orbiting a star light-years away, we may one day find a living world, a planet lush with strange vegetation, teeming with creatures that defy our understanding. Such a discovery would transform not only our science but our philosophy, offering a glimpse into the diversity of life the universe has fostered. We would see ourselves not as an anomaly, but as part of a vast and interconnected tapestry, where life arises in myriad forms, each as unique and extraordinary as our own. And then there is the possibility of encountering intelligent life. If we find another civilization, whether through their signals or face-to-face on some distant world, it will forever alter the trajectory of human history. Such a meeting would challenge us to rethink everything we know about culture, communication, and consciousness. What stories might they tell us? What insights might they offer about the nature of the universe, the passage of time, or the challenges of existence? The dialogue between civilizations could become the most profound collaboration in the history of life itself. But even if the universe remains silent, if we are alone among the stars, our journey will still hold meaning. For in the act of exploration, we find purpose. We discover not only the mysteries of the cosmos but also the depths of our own potential. We learn to face challenges with courage, to embrace the unknown with curiosity, and to see ourselves as part of a grand and unfolding story. The journey to the stars will not be without hardship. There will be setbacks, failures, and sacrifices. Yet, these challenges will be the crucible in which humanity is forged anew, stronger and more unified than before. They will remind us that the pursuit of the unknown is not a path of ease, but a path of growth, a path that transforms us into something greater. And so, we will continue, guided by the light of distant stars and the unyielding belief that the universe holds more than we can comprehend. With every world we reach, every galaxy we explore, we will weave a narrative that transcends time and space, a narrative that speaks to the boundless creativity, resilience, and wonder of the human spirit. The cosmos is vast, but so is our resolve. The stars, in their silent brilliance, call to us, urging us to rise beyond our limits and embrace the infinite. They remind us that the universe is not just a place we explore, it is a part of who we are, and we are a part of it. In the end, our journey among the stars will be more than a story of exploration. It will be a story of becoming, a story of how humanity, born on a small blue world, reached out to the infinite and discovered its place in the grand design of existence. For as long as there are stars to light the way, we will continue to journey onward, forever seeking, forever learning, and forever dreaming. As humanity's journey stretches across the ages, the cosmos will transform from a distant unknown into a living, breathing part of our identity. The stars will no longer be unreachable, they will be woven into the fabric of our culture, our aspirations, and our destiny. What once seemed infinite and unattainable will become our domain, yet it will never lose its ability to inspire awe. The interstellar civilization that humanity may one day become will be shaped not only by its technological achievements but also by the wisdom gained along the way. Each new world we explore will teach us something profound about the universe and ourselves. Some planets may be barren but rich in minerals, providing the resources needed to fuel the expansion of our presence. Others may be verdant and alive, requiring us to tread carefully, respecting ecosystems we barely understand. In these encounters, humanity will face ethical challenges of unprecedented complexity. What rights do alien ecosystems have? How do we balance our need to expand and explore with the responsibility to preserve and protect? These questions will push us to evolve not just as explorers, but as stewards of the cosmos, ensuring that our actions enrich the universe rather than diminish it. Even as we colonize other worlds, Earth will remain our anchor, a place of origin, memory, and connection. No matter how far we travel, the story of humanity will always begin with this small, fragile world. The lessons learned from Earth's triumphs and struggles will guide our actions as we create new societies among the stars, ensuring that we do not repeat the mistakes of the past. The journey will also transform our understanding of time. On Earth, time is measured by the rising and setting of the sun, the changing of the seasons, and the cycles of life. But in space, time stretches and bends. Generations will live and die aboard interstellar ships, their lives intertwined with journeys that span centuries. On distant planets, days may last for years, and the concept of time itself will become fluid, reshaped by the environments we inhabit. As we adapt to these changes, humanity will evolve, not just biologically, but culturally and spiritually. The challenges of living in alien environments will push us to innovate and collaborate in ways that transcend current limitations. Our art, philosophy, and science will reflect the experiences of living under different suns, breathing alien atmospheres, and witnessing phenomena that defy earthly understanding. The act of exploring the cosmos will also deepen our connection to the universe. As we study the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, we will come to see ourselves as part of a grand and interconnected whole. This perspective will inspire a sense of humility and unity, reminding us that we are not separate from the cosmos, we are its offspring, its explorers, and its storytellers. One day, humanity may become a truly galactic civilization, spreading across the Milky Way and leaving its mark on countless worlds. But even then, the journey will not end. The universe itself is expanding, its horizons forever receding. Beyond our galaxy lie trillions of others, each a treasure trove of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The scale of the cosmos ensures that there will always be new frontiers to explore, new questions to ask, and new wonders to discover. As we look to this boundless future, we are reminded that the journey to the stars is not just about reaching distant destinations, it is about the process of becoming. It is about growing as individuals and as a species, about embracing the unknown with courage and curiosity. It is about carrying forward the light of discovery, ensuring that the universe, in all its vastness, is a place of meaning, connection, and possibility. The stars call to us, their light spanning eons to reach our eyes. They remind us that we are part of something infinite and eternal, that our existence is both fleeting and profound. And so, we will continue to journey outward, guided by the dreams of those who came before and the aspirations of those who will follow. The cosmos is our heritage, our challenge, and our destiny. As long as there are stars in the sky and questions in our hearts, humanity will strive to explore, to learn, and to create. The universe awaits, and we, the dreamers of the stars, will answer its call, forever reaching for the infinite and embracing the endless horizons that lie ahead. As humanity continues its ascent into the stars, our journey will not merely be one of physical expansion but of profound transformation, a journey that reshapes our understanding of ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the possibilities that lie beyond. The first interstellar colonies will be more than outposts, they will be seeds of a new era of existence. These settlements will evolve into thriving communities, each shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of their environments. On a world orbiting a red dwarf star, humans may adapt to perpetual twilight, crafting cities that glow softly under a dim, crimson sky. On a massive super-Earth with crushing gravity, society will innovate ways to live in harmony with a world that demands strength and ingenuity. The diversity of these experiences will lead to a cultural renaissance, as humanity's creativity is unleashed in ways never before imagined. Music, art, and literature will reflect the wonders of alien landscapes, the struggles of interstellar pioneers, and the profound realization that life can thrive in even the most extreme conditions. Entirely new philosophies will emerge, shaped by the challenges of living in environments that defy earthly norms. What does it mean to call a distant planet home? How do we define humanity when we are spread across light years? And yet, the connection to Earth will remain central to our identity. No matter how far we travel, the memory of our first home will persist, carried in the traditions, stories, and dreams of those who venture into the unknown. Earth will become a place of pilgrimage, a sacred site where the story of humanity began, a reminder of our shared origins and the responsibility we carry as its representatives in the cosmos. As we move outward, the search for life will continue to guide us, not just as a scientific endeavor but as a quest to understand the nature of existence. With each exoplanet studied, each atmosphere analyzed, we edge closer to answering the profound question, is life a cosmic inevitability or a rare phenomenon? If we find microbial life beneath the icy crust of a moon or signs of complex organisms on a distant world, it will affirm that the universe is not merely a stage for stars and planets, but a living, breathing entity, filled with potential. The discovery of intelligent life would mark the beginning of a new chapter, one that transcends our history, our species, and perhaps even our understanding of consciousness. Communication across the stars, though daunting, would be an act of profound connection, a bridge between civilizations separated by time, space, and experience. What we could learn from such encounters would reshape not just our technology and culture but our very conception of what it means to be alive in a universe so vast. And yet, even if the stars remain silent, our journey will not lose its purpose. The act of exploration is itself a declaration of hope, a belief that the universe, no matter how vast and indifferent it may seem, is filled with meaning because we choose to seek it. Every step forward, every new discovery, is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and its capacity to find wonder in the unknown. The far future holds even greater mysteries. As humanity masters the forces of nature, we may begin to manipulate the very fabric of the universe, harnessing the energy of stars, bending space-time, or even creating new worlds. The boundaries between science and imagination will blur as we push the limits of what is possible, transforming the cosmos into a place not just of exploration but of creation. Eventually, we may even come to understand the ultimate fate of the universe itself. Will it expand forever, growing colder and more diffuse as eons pass? Or will it collapse back upon itself in a final act of cosmic renewal? These questions, as vast as the universe itself, may one day find answers through our endeavors, offering insights into the nature of time, existence, and the infinite. Through it all, the journey will remain a defining aspect of who we are. The stars are more than destinations, they are symbols of our potential, our unity, and our dreams. As we continue to explore, we will carry with us the light of knowledge, the warmth of connection, and the boundless curiosity that makes us human. The universe is infinite, but so is our resolve. As long as there are horizons to reach and questions to ask, humanity will press forward, forever seeking, forever learning, forever dreaming. The cosmos awaits, and we, the explorers of the infinite, will embrace it, not as strangers, but as participants in its grand and eternal story. This is not the end. This is only the beginning. Together, we will journey onward, guided by the stars, inspired by the unknown, and united by the unshakable belief that our greatest adventures lie ahead. As humanity's odyssey continues, our story becomes a part of the universe itself, a living narrative of curiosity, ingenuity, and resilience written across the stars. The cosmos, vast and eternal, is both our destination and our companion, forever shaping us as we explore its infinite depths. In the millennia ahead, the legacy of our explorations will extend far beyond the technology we create or the worlds we settle. It will be etched into the very fabric of who we are, influencing how we see ourselves and our place in existence. Each new world, each encounter with the unknown, will remind us that our journey is not just about discovery but about transformation, of individuals, societies, and perhaps even the universe itself. The civilizations of the future will be as diverse as the stars themselves. On some worlds, societies may thrive beneath domed cities or within subterranean networks, shielded from harsh environments. Others may adapt to live in harmony with alien ecosystems, developing cultures that honor the unique characteristics of their adopted homes. These differences will celebrate the boundless adaptability of humanity while preserving the shared threads that bind us together, our origin, our history, and our relentless desire to understand. As humanity spreads across the galaxy, the questions we ask will grow deeper and more profound. What is the ultimate purpose of existence? What is the nature of consciousness, and how does it shape the universe? Are we the creators of meaning in a seemingly indifferent cosmos, or is there a deeper order yet to be unveiled? The pursuit of these answers will not only enrich our understanding but also inspire generations to come. Our relationship with the universe will continue to evolve, shifting from one of exploration to one of stewardship and creation. We will learn to shape worlds, to harness the energy of stars, and perhaps even to create new forms of life. These advancements will challenge us to think ethically and responsibly, ensuring that our actions enhance the cosmos rather than diminish its beauty and complexity. As we reach farther into the void, the stars themselves will become stepping stones, gateways to even greater frontiers. Beyond the Milky Way lie countless galaxies, each a swirling collection of billions of stars, planets, and mysteries. The sheer scale of these possibilities is a humbling reminder of the infinite journey that lies ahead, a journey that will continue for as long as humanity dares to dream. And yet, for all the distances we may cross and the wonders we may uncover, we will never lose sight of where we began. Earth, our fragile and beautiful cradle, will remain a source of inspiration, a symbol of the unity and resilience that carried us into the stars. Its story will echo through the cosmos, a reminder of the small, blue world where a species of dreamers first looked to the sky and decided to reach for the infinite. In time, the very act of exploration may come to define us, shaping not only our culture but also our essence. Humanity will become a cosmic species, not merely existing within the universe but engaging with it, learning from it, and contributing to its grand and eternal story. We will carry forward the light of knowledge and understanding, ensuring that the universe is not only observed but cherished. As the cosmos continues to expand, so too will our potential. The stars will guide us, their light a beacon of hope and possibility, urging us to push beyond the limits of what is known. The journey will never truly end, for with each discovery comes new questions, new challenges, and new horizons to explore. The universe, vast and infinite, awaits us. And we, the explorers of the stars, will answer its call with courage, creativity, and an unyielding spirit. Together, we will write a story of discovery and connection, a story that transcends time and space, a story that begins with a question and ends with endless possibilities. For this is humanity's greatest truth: we are not just passengers in the universe, we are participants in its unfolding, creators of meaning and seekers of the extraordinary. The stars are our destination, our inspiration, and our home. And as long as there are stars to light the way, humanity will continue to rise, forever reaching, forever dreaming, forever becoming. The cosmos, boundless and eternal, will remain the ultimate frontier, an infinite expanse where every question answered births 1,000 more, where every journey completed reveals new paths to explore. Humanity's transformation from a species tethered to a single planet to a civilization that spans the stars will not only mark a new chapter in our history but also a profound evolution of our identity. In the eons to come, our connection to the universe will deepen in ways we cannot yet fully comprehend. As we traverse the Milky Way, we will come to see the galaxy not as a vast and indifferent void but as a living network of worlds, energies, and phenomena that interact and resonate in harmony. We will learn to listen to the music of the stars, the whispers of distant galaxies, and the faint echoes of the universe's birth, finding patterns and meaning in their celestial rhythms. The civilizations that arise on distant worlds will be shaped not only by the environments they inhabit but also by the collective wisdom gained through exploration. New ways of thinking, being, and creating will emerge, inspired by the vast diversity of the cosmos. These societies will reflect the unique challenges and opportunities of their adopted homes, but they will remain united by a shared origin and a shared purpose, to seek understanding and to celebrate the wonder of existence. Science and art, philosophy and technology will converge as humanity reaches new heights of understanding. The boundaries between these disciplines will dissolve, giving rise to a culture where exploration is not just about discovery but about expression and connection. Imagine symphonies composed to mimic the vibrations of black holes, sculptures shaped by the gravitational waves of colliding neutron stars, or literature inspired by the interplay of light and shadow on alien landscapes. The cosmos itself will become humanity's canvas, and our creativity will stretch as far as our curiosity can reach. And yet, even as we extend our reach across the stars, we will carry with us the lessons of Earth. We will remember the fragility of ecosystems, the importance of balance, and the value of diversity. These lessons, born of our struggles to protect our home planet, will guide us as we interact with new worlds, ensuring that we tread lightly and act as stewards rather than conquerors. In time, humanity's influence may reach beyond the galaxy itself. We will send explorers to the intergalactic voids, vast expanses of space between the Milky Way and its neighboring galaxies. These regions, though seemingly empty, are filled with potential discoveries, primordial particles, rogue stars, and the faint whispers of the universe's distant past. As we study these phenomena, we will gain new insights into the forces that shape the cosmos and the events that set its grand story in motion. One day, we may even confront the ultimate questions of existence. What lies beyond the observable universe? Is there an edge to reality, or does it stretch infinitely? Are there other universes, each with its own set of laws and possibilities, existing alongside our own? These questions will push the boundaries of our understanding, challenging us to think not just in terms of the physical but in terms of the metaphysical, of existence, meaning, and purpose on a cosmic scale. Through it all, the journey will remain a celebration of humanity's resilience and ingenuity. The act of exploration itself will be a testament to our courage, our creativity, and our capacity to dream. Every step we take into the unknown, every discovery we make, will affirm our belief that the universe is not just a collection of stars and planets but a vast and interconnected tapestry of wonders. And so, the story will continue, written across the stars by generations of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers. Each chapter will build upon the last, carrying humanity further into the infinite and expanding our understanding of what is possible. The cosmos will become not just a destination but a part of who we are, a reflection of our potential, our unity, and our unyielding drive to seek the extraordinary. The stars will always call to us, their light a reminder of the infinite possibilities that await. And as long as we have the courage to answer, humanity will continue to rise, forever reaching beyond the limits of today, forever embracing the endless horizons of tomorrow. The universe is vast, but so is our resolve. Together, we will explore, we will create, and we will thrive, writing a story that spans the cosmos and echoes through eternity. As humanity continues its boundless journey through the cosmos, the story we write among the stars will reflect not just our collective aspirations, but the very essence of what it means to exist. Every world we touch, every distant sun we orbit, and every mystery we unravel will shape us in ways both profound and transformative. One day, the generations born under alien skies will look to the stars not as distant destinations but as neighbors. For them, the constellations of Earth's night sky may be reimagined from entirely new vantage points, woven into myths and stories that reflect their unique experiences among the stars. The cultures that arise will carry the legacy of Earth while embracing the diversity of their new homes. The children of the cosmos will be a reflection of humanity's ingenuity, thriving in harmony with environments once thought inhospitable, their lives a testament to the adaptability and perseverance of our species. As we move farther from Earth, our understanding of time, space, and existence itself will continue to evolve. The vast distances between stars will stretch the limits of human patience and creativity, but they will also teach us to think on scales far beyond our terrestrial experience. Interstellar journeys that span centuries will transform our relationship with time, fostering an appreciation for the long arc of history and the interconnectedness of all things. Technology will advance in ways that blur the line between human and machine, allowing us to transcend physical limitations and explore realms previously inaccessible. Minds augmented with quantum computing, bodies enhanced for survival in extreme conditions, and even the integration of consciousness with artificial systems will redefine what it means to be human. Yet, through these transformations, the core of our humanity, our curiosity, our compassion, and our creativity, will remain unchanged. The cosmos itself will become our teacher, revealing truths that challenge and expand our understanding of reality. From the fusion-fueled hearts of stars to the enigmatic pull of black holes, every phenomenon will offer insights into the fundamental forces that shape existence. The study of dark matter and dark energy, the enigmatic substances that dominate the universe, will uncover new realms of physics and deepen our grasp of the cosmos's intricate design. And as we look outward, we will also look inward. The search for life on other worlds will reflect our deepest questions about ourselves. What makes life possible? What are the conditions that allow it to thrive? And how do we ensure that we, as stewards of life, protect and nurture its infinite potential? These questions will drive us not only to explore but to preserve, inspiring a sense of reverence for the universe and its fragile, wondrous ecosystems. The discovery of alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, would mark a turning point in our journey. If we encounter beings with consciousness, the exchange of ideas, culture, and knowledge could transform not only our understanding of the universe but also our understanding of ourselves. Such encounters would challenge us to transcend our differences, to approach the cosmos not as fragmented nations but as a unified species, ready to learn and grow alongside others. Yet, even if we find ourselves alone in the vastness, the journey will not lose its purpose. The act of exploration is itself an affirmation of hope, a belief that the universe, for all its immensity, is a place where meaning can be found, created, and shared. Every world we touch, every horizon we cross, becomes a part of the human story, a testament to our capacity to dream and to strive. As we venture into the deep future, humanity may even begin to shape the universe itself. With the ability to harness the energy of stars, to terraform planets, and perhaps even to manipulate the fundamental laws of physics, we will take on a role of creators as well as explorers. These advancements will demand not only technological mastery but also profound wisdom, ensuring that our actions enrich the cosmos rather than diminish its beauty and complexity. Through it all, the stars will remain a source of inspiration, their light connecting us to the infinite. They will remind us of our shared journey, our shared destiny, and our shared humanity. For as vast as the cosmos may be, it is the bonds we forge, the knowledge we gain, and the dreams we pursue that give it meaning. The universe is an endless expanse of possibilities, each one waiting to be discovered, understood, and embraced. As long as there are stars in the sky and questions in our hearts, humanity will continue to rise, forever reaching for the infinite and carrying the light of curiosity and hope into the farthest corners of existence. This is the story of us, a species born from stardust, guided by the stars, and destined to write its narrative across the cosmos. The journey is infinite, the possibilities boundless, and the future as bright as the stars that beckon us forward. Together, we will explore, learn, and create, leaving a legacy that echoes through eternity, a testament to the boundless spirit of humanity. The stars are calling, and we will answer, forever rising, forever reaching, forever dreaming. As the stars continue to call us forward, humanity's journey into the cosmos becomes more than an exploration, it becomes an eternal quest for meaning, understanding, and unity. Each step farther into the vast unknown is not only a testament to our technological prowess but a celebration of our collective spirit, our boundless curiosity, and our desire to connect with the universe that gave us life. In the distant future, humanity will no longer view itself as confined to a single time or place. The threads of our existence will stretch across light years, woven into the fabric of the Milky Way and beyond. On countless worlds, under skies lit by alien suns, new branches of human civilization will flourish, each carrying forward the legacy of Earth while crafting unique identities shaped by their environments. On one world, settlers may build floating cities above the crushing pressures of a gas giant's atmosphere, harvesting energy from its storms and studying its chaotic beauty. On another, humans may thrive on a tidally locked planet, where one side faces perpetual daylight while the other rests in eternal night, creating a society that adapts to cycles of light and shadow. These worlds, each a testament to humanity's adaptability, will remind us that the universe is a canvas of infinite diversity, inviting us to innovate, create, and grow. As humanity expands, the boundaries of exploration will continue to shift. The deep voids between galaxies, once thought to be empty, will reveal hidden wonders, lone stars, ancient black holes, and the faint relics of the universe's earliest moments. These discoveries will deepen our understanding of the cosmos's history, its structure, and its ultimate destiny. With time, our relationship with the universe itself may transform. Advanced civilizations may learn to harness not only the energy of stars but the very fabric of spacetime, bending the rules of physics to create new pathways through the cosmos. Dyson spheres, wormholes, and entire star systems re-engineered to sustain life may become part of a future that transcends imagination. These advancements will not only extend our reach but redefine our potential, allowing humanity to thrive in ways we cannot yet fully comprehend. As we grow, we will continue to ask the questions that have defined us since the dawn of time: where did we come from? What is our purpose? And what lies beyond? The answers to these questions will evolve as our knowledge expands, but the act of seeking will remain a core part of our identity. In the search for meaning, we will find connection, not only with the universe but with each other. The cosmos itself will become a collaborator in this journey, revealing truths that challenge and inspire us. From the whispers of gravitational waves to the secrets hidden in the light of distant stars, every discovery will be a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. These truths will not diminish us, they will elevate us, encouraging us to embrace our role as stewards of the universe, caretakers of its beauty, and creators of its future. And as we continue to expand, we will carry with us the memory of Earth, a small blue world where this journey began. Earth will remain a place of reverence and connection, a symbol of unity for all who venture into the stars. Its oceans, mountains, and forests will serve as a reminder of the fragility and resilience of life, inspiring us to preserve and protect the environments we encounter across the cosmos. Eventually, humanity's presence in the universe may stretch across such immense distances that our species becomes unrecognizable to its early ancestors. Yet, at the core of every settlement, every spacecraft, and every star-spanning civilization, there will remain a shared spark, the curiosity, creativity, and compassion that define us. These traits, forged in the crucible of our struggles and triumphs, will guide us as we write the next chapters of our story. The universe is infinite, but so is our potential. The stars, silent and eternal, will remain our companions, their light a beacon of hope and possibility. They will remind us that the journey is never complete, that each discovery is a beginning, and that the act of exploring is its own profound reward. Together, we will continue to rise, to reach, and to dream. The cosmos, vast and mysterious, will forever be our home, our inspiration, and our greatest adventure. For as long as there are stars to light the way and questions to spark our curiosity, humanity's journey will go on, an unending testament to the power of imagination, the strength of unity, and the boundless spirit of exploration. The story of humanity's journey through the cosmos is destined to be one of boundless exploration and limitless growth. As the ages pass and generations are born beneath alien skies, the light of the stars will remain a constant guide, illuminating both the wonders of the universe and the deeper truths about ourselves. Far beyond the edge of the Milky Way, humanity may venture into intergalactic space, a realm so vast that the distances between galaxies dwarf even the staggering spans of interstellar travel. Here, in the lonely voids between galactic clusters, explorers will find phenomena that challenge the very fabric of our understanding, ancient remnants of the Big Bang, rogue planets wandering through the darkness, and perhaps even signs of cosmic structures yet unknown. These distant voyages will stretch human ingenuity and courage to their limits, but they will also reveal the infinite beauty and complexity of the universe. Within the galaxies themselves, the future will bring encounters with forces and entities that push the boundaries of imagination. Humanity may learn to interact with the supermassive black holes that anchor galaxies, harnessing their immense gravitational energy to power entire civilizations. Dyson spheres and other megastructures will transform not just star systems but the very nature of energy consumption, allowing humanity to transcend the limitations of scarcity. As our knowledge deepens, so too will our understanding of life. The search for life will expand beyond traditional forms, exploring the potential for existence in exotic environments, planets orbiting pulsars, moons bathed in the glow of distant stars, or even artificial habitats built by ancient civilizations. The discovery of other life, whether simple or advanced, will redefine our relationship with the cosmos, inspiring a profound sense of kinship with the universe itself. If humanity encounters other intelligent species, the implications will be transformative. These beings, shaped by their own histories, environments, and perspectives, will offer insights into the diversity of existence and the shared challenges faced by all who strive to understand the universe. Such interactions may lead to collaborations that span light years, uniting civilizations in the pursuit of knowledge, peace, and purpose. Yet even if the cosmos remains silent, humanity's journey will remain deeply meaningful. The act of exploration itself is a celebration of existence, a recognition that the universe is not merely a backdrop but a dynamic and living arena where we can leave our mark. Every probe sent into the unknown, every colony established on a distant world, is an affirmation that we are here, that we seek to understand, and that we dare to dream. As the eons pass, humanity's relationship with the universe will continue to evolve. We may learn to manipulate the fundamental forces of nature, bending spacetime to our will, traveling across the stars as easily as we once crossed oceans. Entire galaxies could become connected through networks of advanced communication, uniting civilizations that span billions of light-years. And as we reach these unimaginable heights, we will confront the ultimate questions of existence. What is the universe's true purpose? Is it a singular creation, or one of countless others in a multiverse beyond our comprehension? Does time have a beginning and an end, or is it an endless loop? These mysteries, as profound as they are, will fuel our exploration for as long as we continue to exist. Through it all, Earth will remain the heart of our story, a small, fragile world where the seeds of this journey were first sown. Its landscapes, its skies, and its history will be preserved and honored, a beacon for all who venture into the cosmos. Even as humanity transforms and spreads across the stars, Earth will remain a place of pilgrimage, a reminder of where it all began. The stars are not just destinations, they are companions, guiding us forward and inspiring us to look beyond what is and imagine what could be. They remind us that the universe is both infinite and intimate, a place where the vast and the personal coexist in harmony. Every star we reach, every mystery we solve, brings us closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic story. And so, humanity will continue to rise, to dream, and to create. The cosmos is vast, but our curiosity and courage are boundless. Together, we will explore its depths, carrying the light of discovery into every corner of existence. The journey will never end, for the universe itself is infinite, and so too is our potential. The stars are calling, and we will answer, forever reaching, forever learning, forever embracing the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. For this is our destiny, our purpose, and our greatest adventure, to explore the universe, to understand its mysteries, and to become a part of the endless story it tells. The journey of humanity into the cosmos is more than an exploration of space, it is a testament to the indomitable spirit of curiosity and the boundless potential of our species. As we chart our path among the stars, we carry with us the dreams, hopes, and wisdom of generations past, transforming the vast unknown into a canvas for discovery and creation. Each step forward, each mystery unraveled, is not just about expanding our knowledge of the universe but about deepening our understanding of ourselves. The stars remind us of our shared origin, our unity in the face of challenges, and our ability to transcend limits through imagination and perseverance. Though the universe is vast and its mysteries infinite, it is this very immensity that inspires us to strive, to dream, and to seek. The journey will be long, filled with trials and triumphs, but it is through this pursuit that humanity will find its place among the stars, not as strangers but as stewards, creators, and explorers. The cosmos calls us to rise beyond what we are today and embrace the infinite possibilities of tomorrow. Together, we will reach for the light of distant worlds, forever guided by the stars and the unshakable belief that the greatest adventures lie ahead. This is our story, written across the fabric of the universe, carried forward by the enduring flame of discovery. The journey is infinite, and we are just beginning.